Hey, welcome to Scripting 3, where you can learn all about JavaScript in short tutorials of around 3 minutes or less. And today we're continuing our series about Redux and jQuery, and in particular looking at something called subscribe. So we've looked at the store, about what it is, and we've also looked at dispatch, which is updating the store and sending information to the store. And now we're looking at subscribe, which is the way of listening for changes on the store. So in our code, in our JS bin here, we've got this input. And when I put information into there, it is essentially changing the store. We've got a listener on there. Line 11 is the listener. And then that's making changes to the store. And then our subscribe. So under our update.text here, we've got a method called subscribe. And that is saying, hey, I'm listening for the changes in the store. And then we've got our let text here, and then that's another method on the, it's still got another method on the update text, which is get the state. It's saying, look, this action's happened, I'm listening for it. All right, let's get the state. So we're getting the state and we're logging it here. And then you can see the whole of the state down here in the console, and its value and JA. So when I change that, it also updates in the console like that. But in this case, we actually want to drill down and get the particular value. So your state is going to be this object, but we're going to go drill down and get a particular value in the object. So here we're going to go to value.value. So that's looking for looking in the state and getting where the key says value, and then bringing back that in the form down here of the whole thing, just to JSON. So clear that out, and the same thing again, write it in there, and it shows up in the console. Now, we talked about the great thing about the subscribe is that because it listens for changes, it can also update jQuery items on the page as well. So this div here has an ID of display, and every time there's a change in the store, then we're listening for that change. We're getting the value from that change, or getting the value from a particular item in the store, and then we're updating it on the display here. All right, I hope that is useful. I think there's one more last video going to be about the local storage, or just like data storage, and then about setting some kind of persistence, bringing that back, and then just kind of updating your whole page from setting the state or changing the store, rather than trying to individual jQuery elements. All right, so check it out. Thanks for watching.